How to cancel Stash Auto Invest on mobile app. Welcome! In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the steps to cancel your Auto Invest plan in the Stash mobile app. Begin by opening the Stash mobile app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to your account to proceed. Next, tap on the Invest tab located at the bottom of your screen. This will show you all your current investments and portfolios. From your list of investments, select portfolio or account that has Auto Invest enabled. Now, tap on Auto Invest settings. This is where you can adjust or manage your recurring investment options. Scroll down and tap on Cancel Auto Invest or simply toggle the Auto Invest switch off. You may be asked to confirm your decision. Go ahead and confirm to cancel the feature. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation message that Auto Invest has been turned off. Your future investments will no longer happen automatically.